Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the topic that is Best Indian Ordnance Factory Services Coaching in India. These are the topics we are going to cover during this video, that is about IOFS examinations, why to choose this as a career, and finally the Best Indian Ordnance Factory Services Coaching in India. Let's firstly discuss about IOFS examination. It is a unique service in that it is the only cadre in which officers are recruited by all four methods: civil services exam, engineering services exam, interviews, and promotions. So, why to choose this as a career? Officers of this service engage in the management of the Indian Ordnance Factories. These factories engage in the production of defense equipment in arms or ammunition. In this service, there are two types of positions. One of them is technical position and the other one is a non-technical position. So, these are the best Indian Ordnance Factory Services coaching in India. First is Kautilya Coaching, second Plutus Academy, third Yojna Coaching, fourth the HinduZone, and fifth is Vajirao and Reddy Institute. On number 1 rank is Kautilya Coaching. It was formally established in the year 2001. Kautilya Coaching is a coaching institute which have a dedicated team for teaching students basic details of law and provide high-end coaching to each and every individual. Second is Plutus Academy. Plutus Academy is a subsidiary of AEPL which has a glorious history of many years of successful guidance in their each and every field. Their ambition has a unique teaching technique developed by a highly experienced and dedicated team of experts. Third is Yojna Coaching. It is the best coaching center for the students who are doing these exam preparation in Hindi and looking for coaching where they can continue their exam preparation in Hindi only. They also organize interviews for the students. Fourth is the HinduZone. It is one of the best guidance platform. The HinduZone has very helpful and supportive faculty and provide proper guidance for their all government examination and support even after the completion of the course. And fifth is Vajirao and Reddy Institute. Vajirao and Reddy supports and nurtures young talent and helps them develop their knowledge base, skill set in order to pursue a successful career in a wide range of specializations. So, these are the best Indian Ordnance Factory Services coaching in India. Thank you.